Alright guys, it's Gino back from Modern Accessory Review, and today we are taking a look and unboxing the new AirPods 3 from Apple. I'm actually really curious to see how these are going to fit in my ears since they don't have the little ear tips, and they also don't have active noise cancelling or transparency mode, but they do have spatial audio, so let's go ahead and unbox them and check them out. The unboxing knife real quick here, just like that. To the side, and boom, there they are, just like that. They're gonna fall out here. Okay, they're all wrapped in plastic. Boom, and here are the AirPods 3, guys. Very interesting. There they are. Now let's go ahead and peel back strips here. There's one. There's two. And for the grand unboxing. Boom, okay. Designed by Apple in California. Just the usual stuff. Got the AirPods, user manual, that kind of stuff. No Apple stickers, unfortunately. And here are the AirPods. So it looks really similar to the previous AirPods unboxing with the AirPods Pro and the regular AirPods as well. So let's go ahead and open this. Just like that. And then they will just slip right out. And this is kind of a plastic material because Apple is... I think actually the previous AirPods have been unboxed with this plastic material as well. But in general, Apple is trying to be more conservative with the amount of plastic that they're using, which is kind of cool. And yeah, guys, here is the AirPods case. So better look at it here. And let's open these up and see how they fit in my ears. Because if they don't fit in my ears really well, then it's going to be an issue, because in the past I've had issues with Apple headphones just fitting in my ears in general. So let's go ahead and see if these fit. Okay. They look kind of strange, but... Huh. Let's go ahead and put the other one in here. So they definitely feel like super light. They don't feel like they're going in my ears a whole lot. But I don't know. It seems like they're staying in my ears pretty well. The only thing I'm worried about is at the gym. That's the main place I use headphones anyways. I don't know if when I'm sweating and stuff, if they'll start to slip out. But as of right now, just having them in my ears, they seem like they do pretty good. But of course, I'll stay in touch with you guys when I do my review, and I'll let you know exactly what I think about these after using them for a while. And yeah, so they have longer battery life, which is really cool. The case is a little bit more square than the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro are just a little bit more rectangular. We have wireless charging now, which is really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it with the unboxing, guys. So we have the earbuds here. As you can see, they are very similar to the AirPods Pro, but definitely different than the regular AirPods, and they don't have any ear tips, but they do fit in my ear decently well. So again, I'll keep you guys updated when I do my review. So if you guys want to check out my review, I will keep you updated in the next couple days. And with that being said, that was the simple, short, clean unboxing for you guys. And I hope you all enjoyed this short video. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace!